Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm taking you inside the original KU. It's an exciting time in the prefab space right now as companies all around the world are bringing their ideas to life, and many have their eye on the US of A. Today I am very excited to show you a home that I've been admiring from a distance, but there's nothing quite like seeing it in person, so I put not nearly enough clothing into a bag and hit the open road in an attempt to run up the numbers on the like button for the YouTube algorithm. The company I'm talking about is KU with their line of futuristic prefab homes that are available now. What I'm going to do is tell you about the company, give you an in-depth tour of the original model, and get into their pricing. For today's video, I made my way to Alicante, Spain, a coastal city known for its beaches and epic nightlife that TripAdvisor describes as the perfect mix of action and relaxation. This is my first time in the area, but they say it's one of the most dynamic spots on Spain's sun-drenched Costa Blanca. What you won't find on a TripAdvisor description or Wikipedia post on Alicante or the nearby city of Elche is that it's also home to a prefab home company that's getting ready to ship their first homes abroad with a destination of Puerto Rico. If you haven't heard of KU, they're a prefab home company with a line of models packed with features that it would be hard to compare to anything else on the market. The company was started by entrepreneur Alejandro Calolero, who took some time to show me what they've got going on. I don't know everything about Alejandro, but one thing I can tell you with 100% certainty is this is a details guy. From the lighting in the homes to the materials used to the presentation of the entire property the home is located on, I can tell the guy's thinking it out. Their model home is located in Elche, about 25 minutes from Alicante, and it is a jaw dropper. Simple as that. To say the exterior of the KU Original is a head turner would be an understatement. I'd go so far as to say it's a head spinner, if that was something that people said. The exterior of the home is finished with aluminum siding, and when combined with the ambient lighting on the model shown, it would be a very inviting home to arrive back to after dark. Another standout feature that I don't think I've seen on anything else is the full glass box on the end of the home that you can actually get up in and stand, sit, or simply enjoy the view that it provides. I get a lot of comments when a home has what appears to be a flat roof, but I was able to get up top and confirm its slope behind the facade, allowing water to drain. Most of the time when I'm doing these things, I'm trying to record the video before dark, but this is one time that I was waiting for the sun to go down so I could see it lit up. It looked awesome. The exterior of the KU Original looks great, but we're just getting warmed up here. Let's take it inside. The way they have the KU Original set up, the entrance is on the side near the end and lands into the kitchen. The original model is about 12 feet wide by 36 feet long for a total footprint of just under 450 square feet, and they have packed a lot into that space. The kitchen has access to the rest of the home down either side of the table. Bathrooms on the right, and on the left they've got a hall with a surprising amount of storage. In the closet, one side has somewhere to hang up jackets, store shoes, an umbrella, or pieces of junk that if you aren't careful will start to pile up. For some reason, I have 3 pairs of scissors. Past the hall closets, you enter the bedroom. The bedroom has a TV on the end wall and a serious allocation of storage underneath. I'm going to get into both in more detail shortly, but this home has an impressive amount of storage for the size. All the way through the entire home, the thought and details that went into the building stand out. The LED lights on the ceiling and the ambient lighting down below give it a really cool look and feel. The bathroom has a sink, toilet, and shower with a rainfall head. Then you can see the floor plan wraps right around, and before you know it, you're out in the kitchen taking in the views from the front and side that I can confirm make the home feel spacious. Let's have a look at some of my favorite features they've got in this place. Whenever I talk about a home this size, one of the most frequent things that comes up in the comments is usually around storage, mainly because there can be a lack, but you can tell they put a lot of thought into it in this home. So I'm going to go around and show you what they've got going on. They've got 4 of these drawers, and what I like is the cutlery drawer is actually hidden behind the face of that cabinet and just gives a nice clean look from the outside. So they've got 4 of those. Then right here, they've got a dishwasher, again, hidden behind the cabinet door. They've got the open shelf up here, storage under the sink. This is actually a washer dryer right there. Up top, 3 more shelves for storage. Down here, got a freezer. Of course, you got to have a fridge. And then above that, again, more storage. Some bedrooms I've seen don't even have room for a dresser, but check this out. Look at the size of this. 12 of them. If you're filling this up, you might have too much stuff. Okay? On this side of the room, on the way to the bathroom, they've got what they call an open closet. So you can hang your shirts there, your Ginch there, something there. They've got sweaters folded right here. Then down below, a place for your shoes. If that wasn't enough, I almost forgot about the hall closets. Check this out. They've got another spot to hang things, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shelves there, 8, 9, 10 shelves total in this side. Then over here, more place to hang clothes, 3 drawers, and an open space above. There is absolutely no shortage of storage in this home. One of the cool features that they put in the prototype and that goes into every other one of their homes is this smart home system that controls some of the things around the home. So I had this blind down because if you look through, the sun's going to be shining right into the camera, but if I wanted to bring it up, just do that, away she goes. So I'll send it back down, and then I can control the light above me. If I hit it right, there we go. Put that back on. And this is the same throughout the home. So if I want to close the window on the front, hit that. If I want to close the window in the kitchen, hit that. And away we go. They both come down, and this is something you would do at night when you don't want people looking in, you don't want to feel like you're in a fishbowl. No problem. You just send the blinds down, and this can be done for every window, every light, and the heated floors in this home. It's a very cool system they've got here. Another cool feature with that system is you can control it from a smartphone, and there's a button that just says exit. So when you leave at night, you hit the exit button, every window comes down, every light gets turned off, and away you go. You come home, you start turning on lights before you come home, and you arrive to a well-lit home that's just really inviting. I've made my way through the home, and you might be thinking, Carrie, that's super, but where's the living room? Well, I'm in it. So there's a TV on the wall right here, and this bed actually folds up into a couch. This is what you call a multi-use space. So let me fold this bed up, show you exactly how it works and what it's going to look like when this is set up as a living room. If you've been following the channel for any length of time, you already know that I think multi-purpose spaces make a lot of sense in a small footprint home. It's a way to maximize the space, and having a bedroom that easily converts into the living room does just that. From start to finish, it took under a minute to flip the couch up, and we weren't even racing. If I knew it was a time trial, I think I could shave 10, maybe 15 seconds off. During the day, you've got the couch to watch TV, the desk to get a bit of work done, then when it's time for bed, you switch it back and away you go. I'm a noted shower guy. I'm not going to do the real thing because YouTube would probably flag the video, but what they've got here is 4 pieces of porcelain, one there, one there, one there, one there, to make up this shower. You've got the LED light strip up here and the rainfall head coming down from above with this for wherever you're going to use that. It's a nice setup. The home has good flow, so from the bathroom you've got easy access into the living room, bedroom, and then of course you come around this way and you've got access to your storage. Next thing you know, you're right back in the kitchen. I should also note that the bedroom living room does have privacy, so you've got the pocket door here, and then if I cruise around through the kitchen to this side, pocket door here as well, so it's fully closed off. Of all the features they've got in this home, arguably the biggest statement of all is this glass box that sits off the front. Looking at the pictures from Canada, I didn't really understand what the point of it was, but now that I'm sitting in it, it's almost like a sunroom. I think it would get a ton of use. It feels like I'm floating above the ground. I'm probably not doing it justice, but it is a really cool feeling, and I think it would get a lot of use. As I mentioned, I wasn't about to leave the home until seeing the exterior lit up at night, and it was worth the wait. The LED underglow looks really cool, and the fact that you can control it from a smartphone and have it on for your arrival home makes it even better. It was amazing to see this home in person, try out a few of the features, and see how the space looks and feels when actually up in it. I've been watching them from Canada for a while now, but to see it in person exceeded my expectations. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to get into their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. The Q Original has a base price of 140,000 euros, and I'll put the USD conversion somewhere on the screen. Q is a prefab home builder located in Spain that's expanding globally. The first units abroad will be sent out to Puerto Rico later this year, which I think is a big step in the right direction and good news for anyone interested in getting one of their homes. I'm excited to watch the process and see the homes go from here to there, so I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.